Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show chat in Gmail. If you want to integrate Google Chat right into your Gmail inbox, you are in the right place. I'll guide you step by step so you can start chatting quickly and easily. Let's jump right in. First, open your Gmail account and log in. Then look to the top right corner of the screen and find the settings icon. It looks like a small gear. Click on this to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select See All Settings to open Gmail's full settings page. Once you are on the settings page, find the tab labeled Chat and Meet at the top navigation bar and click on it. This section is where you can manage Google Chat and Google Meet settings within Gmail. Choose Google Chat, enable the feature inside your Gmail interface. This step is key to having Google Chat appear alongside your emails. Don't forget to scroll down and click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. Without saving, your new settings won't take effect. After Gmail refreshes, you'll notice a new chat option appearing on the left sidebar. Clicking this opens your inside Gmail. To start chatting, click on Start a Chat. A search bar will pop up where you can type the email address of the person you want to message. Gmail will helpfully search your contacts as you type, making it easy to find the person. Once you enter the email, click Start Chat to open your conversation window. Now, you are ready to send messages in real time without leaving your inbox. And that's it. A simple way to bring Google Chat right into Gmail, keeping all your communications organized in one place. Thanks for watching.